Hi, Cal from BHP UK, and on the dyno today we've had this absolutely stunningly good looking BMW S1000XR. It's got the Akrapovic end can fitted. We're going to set it up for that can. This bike, they generally make about 155 brake horsepower on the dyno. After our map, we've got this one up to 167, which is a fantastic gain really. Now, when most people bring these bikes to us, the biggest complaints that they have are the snatchy throttle below 40–50% openings and the vibrations you get at 5,500 RPM. So the first two issues that we address are those two issues. We absolutely smooth out the throttle at the bottom end of the throttle openings and get a nice smooth power delivery. And we also manage to pretty much erase all of that vibration at 5,500 RPM. We remove the throttle restrictions that BMW put in second and third gear. And then on top of that, we raised the torque limits that the bike's allowed to produce. So BMW set it in the factory to produce a certain amount of torque, and we can raise those limits a little bit, which is what helps us achieve 167 brake horsepower. As well as that, we also managed to smooth out the ignition advance, which just makes power delivery a little bit smoother again, and again it helps us produce a little bit more power. If you require it on your S1000XR, we can remove or open the throttle valve a little bit sooner, or just leave it open all the time. And in addition to that, we can raise the RPM limit by up to about 500 RPM. Now, there's a lot of talk on forums and such like as to how snatchy the throttle actually is. And you can see from here what we've actually managed to achieve. This is at 20% throttle opening. The power delivery is much smoother and significantly improved over the stock bike. I'm going to say at this point that the BMW could set this bike up a lot better, and I'm certainly not going to claim that at BHP UK we can set a bike up better than BMW can at the factory. However, BMW have lots and lots of regulations and restrictions that they have to comply to, and as such they have to put these flat spots in to get you through Euro emissions. And what we do is we just richen those flat spots back up, make it a little bit smoother, raise the power that BMW have already built into the bike, and just make it a much nicer riding experience. This bike, if you're not local to us, we can supply you with one of our ECU flashes. All you do with that is you plug it into your OBD socket, which is under your seat, take an ID off the bike and send that through to us. What modifications you've got on the bike and what you'd like us to do with it. And one of our map writers will write that map bespoke for your requirements. The other advantage with this is that you can put it back to standard anytime you please, should it ever need to go back to BMW. And we can also write a couple of different maps in there, so you could have one map for road use and another map for track use.